children, I am going to take science for you. So this is revision paper number 2. In the last week I had sent revision paper number 1. I think all of you have seen that one and you have practiced in the rough note. Now this is revision paper 2. I am going to read that one. Listen carefully. First main, fill in the blanks. First one, dash cover our body. So in the dash you must write clothes. CLOTHES, clothes. Second one, milk keeps our dash and teeth strong. So in the dash you must write bones. BONES, bones. Next, third one, dash is essential for respiration. So in the dash you must write air, AIR, air. Fourth one, the largest amount of water is in dash. So in the dash you must write seas, SEAS, seas. Okay children. Now once again I am going to read that. First main, fill in the blanks. First one, clothes cover our body. Second one, milk keeps our bones and teeth strong. Third one, air is essential for respiration. Fourth one, the largest amount of water is in seas. Okay children. So once again I am going to read that one. Fill in the blanks. Clothes cover our body. Second one, milk keeps our bones and teeth strong. Third one, air is essential for respiration. Fourth one, the largest amount of water is in seas. Now second main, spell the animal name correctly. First one, it gives us wool. So which animal gives us wool children? So in the dash you must write sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Okay children? First one is it gives us wool. So the answer is sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Second one, you can ride on this animal. So the answer is elephant. No children? So many people will ride on the elephant back. No, they will sit on the elephant's up and they will ride. So the spelling is ELEPHANT, elephant. Third one, it guards our house. Andre ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಮನೆ ಕಾಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಮನೆ ಕಾಯುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮದು? ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಾಗ್. ನಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ನಾಯಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಡಾಗ್. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಾಗ್. DOG, ಡಾಗ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನೌ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. First one, it gives us wool. So the answer is sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Second one, you can ride on this animal. So the answer is elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. Third one, it guards our house. So the answer is dog. DOG, dog. Third main, guess the names and write. First one, I help you to write and work. So which help you to write and work children? So which parts of the body it will help? So the hand will help us to write and do work, no children. So the in the dash you must write hand, HAND, hand. Second one, I help you to breathe. So which help us to breathe children? So the answer is nose. NOSE, nose. Next, I help you to walk. So answer is legs. LEGS, legs. Okay children, so once again I am going to read that one. I help you to write and work. So the answer is hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Second one, I help you to breathe. So the answer is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Third one, I help you to walk. So the answer is legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Now next fourth main, how many are there? So in your body parts, how much are there? You must write that numbers. First one, head. So how many head do you have, children? So you have only one, no? So in the dash you write 1. Second one, stomach. So how many stomach you have, children? We have only one stomach. So write in the dash 1. So third one, nostrils. Nostrils, how much you have? So we have 2 nostrils. Okay, children? In one nose we have got 2 nostrils. Fourth one, arms. So how many arms you have, children? So we have 2 arms. Next, fifth one, eyebrow. So how many eyebrow you have, children? So you have 2 eyebrow. One is right and one is in the right side and another one is in the left side of our eyes. Okay, children? Eyebrow 2. So once again I am going to read that one. Head 1, stomach 1, nostrils 2, arms 2, eyebrow 2. Next main, write true or false. First one, we don't need home to live in. So here we are given, we don't want need to house to live. So if there is no house, where you live, children? So we must live in the forest or on the road. So we want a house to live in, no, children. So here they are given do not need. So in the bracket you write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Second one, we need air for breathing. Air means gali. Breathing means usiradaku. So gali namge usiradakke bekalva makla. So here they are given we need air for breathing. So that is correct. So in the bracket you write true. T-R-U-E, true. Third one, papaya have many seeds in them. So you write in the bracket true. T-R-U-E, true. Fourth one, good pastures keeps us unfit. So in the bracket you write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. First one, once again I am going to repeat. First one, we don't need home to live in. False. Second one, we need air for breathing. True. Third one, papaya have many seeds in them. True. Fourth one, good posture keep us unfit. False. Now next main, match the following. So in the A side, they are given first one thighs, second one pigeon, third one car, fourth one nose, fifth one cotton clothes. So in the B side, they are given bird, non-living, to see, summer, to smell. So you must match this one. So first one is eyes. So in the B side, in the fifth line it is there. In the third line it is there, to see. So there you write number 1. Second one, pigeon. So in the B side, in the first line it is there, bird. So there you write number 2. Third one, car. So in the B side, in the second line it is there, non-living. So there you write number 3. Fourth one, nose. So in the B side, in the fifth line it is there, to smell. So there you write number 4. Fifth one, cotton clothes. So in the B side, in the fourth line it is there, summer. So there you write number 5. Okay, children, now I am going to read correct answer. Eyes, to see. Pigeon, bird. Car, non-living. Nose, to smell. Cotton clothes, summer. Now next main, write the missing letters. First one, uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. Second one, buckets. buckets, buckets. Third one, respire, respire, respire. Fourth one, domestic, domestic, domestic. Fifth one, forest, forest, forest. Sixth one, creepers, creepers, creepers. Now next main, eighth main, tick the correct box. First one of the following is a bushy plant. So here they are given three options. So which is the correct answer? You must put in the box right mark. Okay children. So they are given tomato, mango, rose. In that which is a bushy plant children? So rose is a bushy plant. So there you must put right mark. Next second one, we taste with our dash. So here they are given three options: nose, eyes, taste buds. So taste buds is the correct answer. So there you put right in the box. We taste with our taste buds. Next third one, we hear with our dash. Ears, eyes, and. So ears is the correct answer. So put right mark in the box. Okay children. Now next main, write whether these plants are herbs, shrubs, climber, creepers. First one, watermelon. So it is a climber. CLIMBER, climber. Second one, pumpkin. So it is a creeper. CREEPERS, creepers. Next third one, China rose. So it is a shrubs. SHRUBS, shrubs. Okay children. So once again I am going to repeat: watermelon, climber; pumpkin, creepers; China rose, shrubs. Next 10th main, tick the correct words given in the bracket. So first one, brinjal is a, in the bracket they given herbal climbers plant. Brinjal is a dash plant. So in the bracket they given herbal climbers. So which is correct word? So brinjal is a herbal plant. So for herbal you must put right mark there. Second one, baby plants grows into dash. So in the bracket they given seeds, flowers. So seeds is the correct answer. So for seed you put right mark. Next, tiger is a pet wild animal. So tiger it is a wild animal, no children. So for wild you put right mark. Next fourth one, living things can move, cannot move. So living things can move, no children. So for can move you put right mark. Okay children. Next, answer the following. First one, how do we store water? Answer, we store water in buckets, pots, drum and bottles. WESTOR is store, WATER water, IN in BUCKETS buckets, POTS pots, DRUM drum, and BOTTLES bottles. Second one, what are called trees? Answer, big and strong plants are called trees. BIG big, AND and STRONG strong, PLANTS plants, CALLED called, TRES trees. Third one, where should we play? Answer, we should play in an open area. It is very good exercise. WESHOULD should, PLAY play, IN AN and OPEN open, AERA area, IT it, IS is, VERY very, GOOD good, EXERCISE exercise. Next fourth one, what are pet animals? Answer, An animal you keep at home is called a pet animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Y-O-U-K-E-E-P, keep. A-T, at. H-O-M-E, home. I-S is C-A-L-L-E-D, called. A-P-T, pet. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. An animal you keep at home is called a pet animal. Okay, children. So these are the revisions of science, that is paper 2. Okay, children. Any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this revision. So please sit and practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. Okay, children. Thank you.